The 2026 Toyota CHR continues to redefine what a compact crossover can be, embodying a harmonious blend of bold design, advanced technology, and thoughtful engineering. As Toyota's answer to the growing demand for versatile urban SUVs, this new iteration of the CHR is a statement vehicle that prioritizes style and substance in equal measure, offering a driving experience that feels modern, efficient, and surprisingly spirited. Right from the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 CHR, it's clear that this is no ordinary compact crossover. Its exterior design is a masterclass in dynamic styling, characterized by sharp, sculpted lines that give the vehicle an athletic posture. The front fascia features a dramatically wide grille, crafted with intricate honeycomb mesh that adds texture and depth. Flanking the grille, the slim LED headlights with signature daytime running lights wrap elegantly around the front corners, creating a distinctive visual signature that remains unmistakable even from a distance. The sculpted hood, marked by precise creases that flow into bold front fenders, hints at the CHR's confident attitude. The side profile exudes sleekness and motion, with a roofline that slopes gently toward the rear, creating a coupe-like silhouette uncommon in its segment. Glossy black roof accents and integrated shark fin antenna lend a sporty flair, while the pronounced wheel arches are home to striking 19-inch two-tone alloy wheels that perfectly balance aggression with sophistication. The sculpted lower rocker panels and side skirts visually lower the stance, enhancing the car's aerodynamic presence. At the back, the taillights extend in a sharp, wraparound design with LED elements that pulse with crisp clarity. A rear diffuser, rear spoiler, and dual exhaust outlets complete the sporty aesthetic, blending functionality with style. Beneath this captivating exterior lies a platform engineered to deliver a refined, balanced ride. The 2026 CHR employs a front McPherson strut suspension paired with a multi-link rear setup, both meticulously tuned to strike a fine balance between ride comfort and handling precision. This suspension system effortlessly absorbs urban potholes and uneven pavement while maintaining agility in corners, making it feel composed and responsive whether navigating city traffic or winding suburban roads. The electric power-assisted steering is calibrated for directness and sensitivity, offering communicative feedback that enhances driver confidence without causing fatigue during longer trips. The powertrain options available in the 2026 CHR underscore Toyota's commitment to efficiency without compromising performance. At the base level, a 2.0-liter inline-4 naturally aspirated engine produces approximately 170 horsepower and 151 lb-ft of torque. This engine pairs with Toyota's direct shift continuously variable transmission, CVT, which features simulated gear steps to mimic the feel of a traditional automatic while optimizing fuel efficiency and responsiveness. The result is smooth acceleration, quiet cruising, and a linear power delivery that feels intuitive to the driver's inputs. For those who prioritize fuel economy and environmental responsibility, the hybrid variant represents a standout option. Combining a 1.8-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor, the hybrid system delivers a combined output of around 170 horsepower. Thanks to advanced regenerative braking and an intelligently managed hybrid battery system, the CHR Hybrid achieves exceptional fuel economy, making it ideal for stop-and-go urban driving and long-distance commutes alike. The electric motor's instant torque provides smooth, seamless acceleration from a standstill, while the gasoline engine takes over efficiently during highway cruising. The transition between electric and gasoline power is nearly imperceptible, highlighting Toyota's expertise in hybrid technology. Inside, the 2026 CHR's cabin is a showcase of modernity and functionality, designed to offer both comfort and convenience. Soft-touch materials adorn the dashboard and door panels, creating a premium tactile experience. Brushed aluminum accents and ambient LED lighting further elevate the cabin's atmosphere, with the lighting customizable in terms of color and intensity to suit driver preference or mood. The seats are generously bolstered to provide excellent support during spirited driving, upholstered in a durable yet upscale fabric. Higher trim levels introduce synthetic leather upholstery with contrast stitching, adding a layer of refinement. The cockpit is thoughtfully laid out with driver ergonomics at the forefront. A configurable digital instrument cluster, available in 12.3 inches on higher trims, presents critical information such as speed, navigation cues, and multimedia controls with crystal-clear clarity. The center console hosts an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system standard across the range, supporting seamless integration with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa voice commands, ensuring connectivity wherever the road takes you. For audiophiles, the optional JBL premium sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall, delivering rich, immersive sound quality. Climate comfort is handled by a dual-zone automatic climate control system, allowing driver and front passenger to set their own temperature preferences. Thoughtful storage solutions abound throughout the cabin, including large door pockets, a deep center console bin, and underfloor compartments that maximize utility without encroaching on passenger space. Rear passengers enjoy ample legroom and headroom for a vehicle in this segment, with 60/40 split-folding rear seats that fold flat to dramatically expand cargo space, accommodating everything from bulky shopping hauls to sports equipment. Safety remains paramount in the 2026 CHR, with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 as a standard feature set that includes adaptive cruise control with lane centering assistance, pre-collision braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, road sign assist, and automatic high-beam headlights. These systems work together to reduce driver fatigue and improve situational awareness, particularly in congested or fast-changing traffic conditions. Parking maneuvers are made easier with an available 360-degree camera system, offering multiple views to eliminate blind spots and make tight urban parking less stressful. Driving the 2026 CHR is an engaging experience that defies the notion that compact crossovers are purely practical machines. The hybrid's instant torque and smooth power delivery provide effortless acceleration in city environments, while the gasoline-powered version offers a lively throttle response and strong mid-range power that make highway passing and merging seamless. The chassis feels balanced and responsive, encouraging confident handling without harshness. The suspension's ability to soak up road imperfections means that long trips remain comfortable, while the steering's communicative nature invites spirited driving on backroads or twisty streets. Fuel economy is a strong suit for the CHR, especially with the hybrid variant achieving ratings well above the class average. The gasoline engine models also deliver competitive efficiency, ensuring that drivers can enjoy a versatile vehicle that's economical to run. Maintenance and reliability remain a hallmark of Toyota vehicles, giving owners peace of mind alongside the car's dynamic capabilities.